Namaste, good morning to you all and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have discussed chapter 18 probability. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we shall discuss a new chapter, chapter 15, area of polygons. Let's move on to the topic. First, we shall discuss the perimeter and area of plane shapes. The first one, square. It is a four-sided closed figure. All sides are equal. So perimeter is the sum of all the sides. Here one side is A. So the other sides are A. So perimeter is A plus A plus A plus A. The perimeter is 4A. The area. Area means side into side. A into A. Area is A square. Then rectangle. Rectangle is a four-sided closed figure. The opposite sides are equal. This is length, this is also length, this is breadth, this is also breadth. So the perimeter is sum of all the sides. Length plus length plus breadth. 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Take 2 outside, 2 into length plus breadth. Area is length into breadth, L into B. Then triangle. Triangle is a three-sided closed figure. This is base and this is height. So the other two sides are y and z. So the perimeter is sum of all the sides x plus y plus z perimeter. Area is half BH, half into base into height. Base is x, height is h. So area is half into x into h. Then circle. Circle. This radius, center to any point of a circle is radius. Then circumference is 2 into pi into r, 2 pi r is the circumference, and the area is pi r square. You know, the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. Then first problem from exercise 15.1. The area of a rectangular park is 3500 meter square. If its width is 50 meter, then find the cost of its fencing at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. The area of a rectangular park. So rectangular park. Area is 3500 meter square. If its width is 50 meter, this width is 50 meter, then find the cost of its fencing at the rate. Fencing means we have to find the perimeter at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. So what is given? Given area. Area of a rectangular park is given 3500 meter square. Then if its width means breadth. Width is 50 meter. Area of a rectangle, L into B. L into B is equal to, length into breadth is equal to 3500. Here width is given 50. So substituting width, L into 50 is equal to 3500. L is equal to, length is equal to 3500 divided by 50. Can cancel 0 and 0. Then 5 and 350, 1 5 is 5. 7 5s are 35, 0. So is equal to 70 meter. So length is equal to 70 meter, breadth is equal to 50 meter. Then find the cost of its fencing. Fencing means we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangular park is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length is 70, breadth is 50. So 70 plus 50 is equal to 2 into 70 plus 50, 120 is equal to 240 meter. So perimeter is equal to 240. Then find the cost of its fencing at the rate of rupees 100. So, cost of fencing is equal to 2040 into 100 is equal to rupees 24 into 1 24 and put 230. So rupees 24,000. Question number 2. The side of a square piece of a land is 20 meter. Find the cost of leveling the land at the rate of rupees 80 per square meter. The side of a square piece of a land. It's a square piece of land whose side is 20 meter. So, all sides are 20. Okay. Find the cost of leveling. Cost of leveling means cost of leveling. Cost of leveling means you have to find out the area. You have to find out the area at the rate of rupees 80 per square meter. Side A is equal to 20 meter. Area is equal to A square. A into A is equal to 20 into 20 is equal to 20 into 20 400. Area is 400 meter square. Then find the cost of leveling the land at the rate of rupees 80 per square meter. So cost of leveling is equal to that area into rupees 80. 400 into rupees 80 is equal to rupees 400 into 80. 4 into 8 32. Then 360. So rupees 32,000. Next, question number 3. Find the area and perimeter of each of the following plane figures. First one A. It's a rectangle. Each angle is 90 degree, whose length and breadth is given. Length is equal to 15 centimeter and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. Length is equal to 15 centimeter and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. How to find the area and perimeter? The area of a rectangle, area is equal to length into breadth. L into B is equal to 15 into 10. 15 into 10, 150. Here the unit is centimeter. So centimeter to centimeter, centimeter square. Then perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into length. Length is 15 and breadth is 10. Is equal to 2 into 15 plus 10, 25. 50. Perimeter. So the unit is centimeter. 50 centimeter. The area is 150 centimeter square. The next one B. It's a square. Each angle is 90 degree. Whose side is given? One side is 10. So the other sides are also 10. All sides are equal. Side A. Side A is equal to 10 centimeter. First you have to find out the area of square. Area is equal to A square. Side into side. A into A is equal to 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Here the unit is centimeter. So centimeter square. Centimeter to centimeter, 100 centimeter square. Then perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 4A. Sum of all the sides is equal to 4 into, here A is 10. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. The unit is centimeter. 40 centimeter. Then option C, here this is 20, this is 10, so this is also 20. It's a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So this is 10 means the opposite side, this is also 10. Two sides are equal, so that means it's a square, all sides are equal. So this is 20, this is also 20. So total 20. Total 20 centimeter. Okay. First we have to find out the area. Area is equal to, here this area is length into breadth. Here the length is 20 and the breadth is 10. So 20 into 10 plus the area of square is base, square is side into side. Here this is 20, this is also 20. So 20 into 20. It's a rectangle. The area is length into breadth. Here the length is 20, breadth is 10. So 20 into 10 plus it's a square. So the area is side into side. 20 into 20 is equal to 20 into 10, 200 plus 20 into 20, 400. 200 plus 400, 600. 600, here the unit is meter, centimeter. So 600 centimeter square. Then perimeter. Perimeter means sum of the length of the boundary. Okay. So 20 plus 10 plus 20. Then this one. Total 20. This is 10. So this is 5. This is also 5. So 20 plus 10 plus 20 plus 5 plus 5 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. Sum of the length of the boundary is equal to 20 plus 10 plus 20 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. 20 plus 20 plus 20. Adding 20 plus 10, 30, 50, 60, 80, 100 plus 20, 120. So 120 centimeter. Option D is a triangle whose side is given, base is 10 centimeter, the other two sides are 13 centimeter, the height is 12 centimeter. You have to find out the area. Here the base B is equal to 10 centimeter and the height H is equal to 12 centimeter. The other sides are 13 centimeter. Then we have to find out area. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Half BH is equal to half into, here the base is 10. 10 into height is 12. We can cancel 2 and 10. 5 2s are 10. So 5 into 12 is equal to 60 centimeter. So the unit is 60 centimeter square. Then perimeter. Perimeter of a triangle means sum of the lengths of the sides is equal to 10 centimeter plus 13 centimeter plus 13 centimeter. 10 plus 13 plus 13. 10 plus 13, 23. 23 plus 13. 23 plus 13, 36. So 36 centimeter. Question number 4. The area of a rectangle of length 16 centimeter is same as the area of a square of side 12 centimeter. What is given? The area of a rectangle of length centimeter is same as the area of a square of side 12 centimeter. That is, the area of rectangle is same as the area of square. Find the perimeter of rectangle. Find the perimeter of rectangle. So we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay. So what is given? Length is given. Length is given. Length is equal to 16. So we have to find out the breadth. Okay. By using this one. Okay. So the area of a rectangle of length 16 is same as the area of square of side 12. So it is a square whose side is 12. Okay. It is same as the area of a rectangle whose length is 16. Length is 16 centimeter. Here 12 centimeter. Okay. So we have to find out the breadth. Okay. So first area of the square. Area of the square. Area of the square is side into side. A square is equal to 12 into 12. 12 into 12, 144. So 144 centimeter square. Then what is given? The area of a rectangle and the area of a square are equal. So area of a rectangle is equal to area of a square. Area of a rectangle L into B is equal to, what is area of a square? 144. So L into B is equal to 144. What is given? Given length is given. Length is equal to 16. Okay. So 16 into B we don't know. 16 into B is equal to 144. 16 into B is equal to 144. B is equal to 144 divided by 16. Cancelling by 2. 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4. 8 2s are 16. Then cancelling by 8. 1 8 is 8. 9 8s are 72. So B is equal to 9 centimeter. Then find the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Here the length is 16, L is equal to 16 and B is equal to 9. So 2 into 16 plus 9. 2 into 25 is equal to 50. Here perimeter is centimeter. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 50 centimeter. Then question number 5. The cost of leveling a rectangular field at rupees 50 per square meter is rupees 30,000. If its length and breadth are in the ratio 3:2, then find its perimeter. Length and breadth are in the ratio 3:2. So let the length be 3x and the breadth be 2x. The cost is given. The cost is rupees 30,000. That means the cost of 1 square meter is rupees 50. So here we have to multiply 50 with area is 30,000. 50 into area is 30,000. We have to find the value of x. After that, substituting the value of x in length and breadth, we get ln. Then you have to find out the perimeter. First, let the length be 3x and breadth be 2x respectively. So the cost is equal to rupees 30,000. Rupees 30,000. So cost means the area into 50. So area into 50 is equal to rupees 30,000. Area means length into breadth. 3x into 2x. 3x into 2x into 50 is equal to 30,000. Rupees 30,000. 3x into 2x, 6x square into 50 is equal to rupees 30,000. Then 6x square is equal to 30,000 divided by 50. 30,000 divided by 50. Here 0 and 0 cancel. 5, 1, 5 is 5. 6 5s are 30. 0, 0. So 6x square is equal to 600. X square is equal to 600. Here into 6. So divided by 6 is equal to 100. X square is 100. X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 centimeter. Then length 3x. So length is equal to 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Breadth is equal to 2x. So 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Then find its perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Is equal to 2 into. Here the length is 30, breadth is 20. 30 plus 20 is equal to 2 into 50 is equal to 100 meter. So the perimeter is 100 meter. Question number 6. Find the area and circumference of a circle whose radius is 10.5. One circle whose radius is 10.5. Whose radius is 10.5. You have to find out the area and circumference. Okay. Then radius, given radius R is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Area of a circle. Pi r square. The value of pi is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into r. 10.5 into 10.5 is equal to. You can cancel 7 and 10.5. 1 7s are 7. Then 1 decimal, balance is 335, 5 7s are 35, 1.5. Then multiply 22 into 1.5 into 10.5. Ignore the decimals, you multiply the numbers. 22 into 15, 22 into 15, multiply 5 into 2, 10, balance 1, 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2. 0, 3, 3 into 105. 0 into 5, 0. 5 into 3, 15. Balance 1. 15 plus 1, 16. 0 into any number? 0. Then 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 3, 3. 0, 5, 6. 3 plus 1, 4, 3. 2 decimals are there. So we put 2 decimal. So 346.50. 346.50. Here the unit is centimeter. So the area is centimeter square. Then circumference. Circumference is equal to of a circle is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is 10.5. Here cancel 7 and 10.5. 1 7s are 7, 10.5 7s are 35. So 2 into 22 into 1.5. 2 into 22, 44. 44 into, ignore the decimal, you multiply the numbers. 44 into 15. 4 into 5, 20, balance 2. 4 into 5, 20, 20 plus 2, 22. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 4, 4, adding. 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into 15, 616. Here, 1 decimal point. So, we have to move 1 decimal point from the right. So, is equal to 66 centimeter. Circumference is 66 centimeter. and the area is 346.50 centimeter square. Today we have started a new chapter, areas of polygons, and completed exercise 15.1. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.